Welcome back to our channel, Ask Deb's Legacy, where we bring your ideas on how and why you should be making $900 days online. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You're probably making this one huge error that's holding you back if you're attempting to earn money online, but aren't getting any results. Since I did the exact same thing, I am aware of this. However, everything changed as I realized what I was doing incorrectly. I'll explain everything in this video so you can steer clear of typical pitfalls and at last begin to see tangible results. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, trying to do it alone. Believing that one can solve everything on their own is one of the most common blunders people make. I understand. As you download PDFs and binge watch YouTube tutorials, you believe that the more I learn, the more I'll make. Let me tell you though, that's not how it works. Every successful athlete, entrepreneur, or creative person has mentors and coaches. Would an Olympian train by themselves? No. Would there be no coach on a professional football team? Not at all. Why, therefore, do people believe they can start an internet business on their own? My outcomes quickly changed when I stopped attempting to do everything myself and instead followed a tried and true pattern. A proven systems power. Let's discuss the importance of systems. Prior to 2022, I was having trouble. I was feeling overburdened, irritated, and completely unproductive. But after I made a commitment to following a detailed plan, everything began to fall into place. I created a TikTok account, despite my first belief that it was only for dancing. And I earned my first $22,000 in under 3 months. Why? Because rather than relying on my own intuition, I adhered to a straightforward system. Financial freedom, automation. My business was entirely dependent on me prior to automation. I had to message leads by hand, send follow-up emails, spend hours pursuing possible clients. It was draining. However, as I automated my firm, it began to operate around the clock for me. My system was doing the work for me, so I was actually making sales while I slept. You will always be exchanging time for money if you don't have an automated system in place. Getting insights for your company. Nobody tells you this. You need people to see your offer, not simply have a fantastic one. There are currently more than 5 billion users on social media. Both good and negative news can be found there. The good news is that there are a ton of prospective clients. The bad news is that without a plan, it's difficult to stand out. For years, I suffered since I had no idea how to attract attention to my business. My viewership, however, exploded after I adhered to a marketing blueprint. Reasons for most failures. Many people hop from one item to another, believing that the next thing would provide the solution. They give something fresh a try. They give up when things become difficult. They go on to something else. Does that sound familiar? In actuality, achievement is achieved by focusing on one subject until you become really proficient at it. After I destroyed the boats, I concluded that digital marketing would be effective for me. Marketing is the secret sauce. One of the primary reasons for failure is a lack of marketing expertise. In my area, a woman spent years creating courses that didn't work. She thought the problem was her classes. But what's the real issue? She wasn't advertising them well enough. When you master marketing, which is a skill, everything changes. Forming an income for created. Making money is not the goal. Creating consistent revenue is. A tried and true plan. Automation to handle the laborious tasks. A lead generation marketing system. Dedication to a single goal. No shiny object syndrome. Like you, I was stuck once. However, I made one small adjustment. I adopted a methodical approach instead of attempting to do the task on my own. I want to assist you in doing the same now. Put ready in the comments if you're determined to act, and click the link below to get my exact plan. https://www.askdebslegacy.com. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay informed, stay ahead as it helps our channel's ratings. See you in the next video. Until next time. Don't miss this next one. It's big.